Hey everyone, it's Dominic from the Primetime Treasure eBay store and YouTube channel. Thanks for coming by to check out another video. In this video, I'm going to do some troubleshooting with you to help you out in situations in which you're trying to upload an image or several images into a listing, yet you continuously receive an error message that says that your image file or files are corrupted in some way. And no matter what you try to do to address that problem, whether that's changing the image extension name, whether it's changing the base name of the image, whether it's resizing the image or modifying it in any other way, you keep getting the message pop up. And so as a result, you can't display your images, you can't post your listing, and naturally you're pretty frustrated because you've just wasted a bunch of time trying to solve the problem to no avail. So let me tell you about a way to solve this problem that works most instances, and it doesn't involve modifying the files in any way, shape, or form. Now, if you've not seen what this problem looks like before because you're brand new to eBay, stick around. I'm going to show it to you. And I think one of the reasons you should stick around and watch it, even though it hasn't happened, is because if you do eBay long enough, this problem is probably going to happen to you at some time. So being able to recognize it right from the get-go will save you a lot of wasted time down the road. So I have Firefox open right now as my browser. I use Firefox with eBay about 99% of the time, and I don't run into any problems. But once in a while I do, and when I do, it tends to involve problems with the image upload. So right here, and this is just a side tip, I have something here as a title that says Lot of 2 X-Men books. It's a sell similar. And what I did here is I basically already modified the title, so it says that I have 2 books. And that's because originally I had 1 X-Men book and it didn't sell. Sometimes that happens with books, or honestly any other type of product. Maybe you get it unsold. And so rather than throwing it out or donating it, what I like to do is try to find something that's conceptually similar to the initial item and pair it together so that I add value for potential customers, and that significantly increases the chances that I'm going to be able to make the sale. So just a little side tip for you. If you run into that, it's just an easy way to kind of get your money for your product. So anyway, moving down and to the original point of the video, these are the original images from the listing, and what you see there is a front view, a back view, and a side view of the book. Now I want to add an image that shows the 2 books side by side. And I would eventually slide that into first position so people saw that first. And here's the image right here. It's called xmen5.jpg. So I'm going to upload it right here. And uh-oh, I've got the error message. You see here, I've got the nasty red triangle with the exclamation point inside. It says image error. And then over here to the side, it says invalid photo. It says xmen5.jpg. The file seems to be corrupted. Please remove it and upload a valid JPG, GIF, PNG, TIF, or BMP file. Now, it's already a JPG file, which is a great type of image extension for pictures. I could tell you, because I've gone through this already, that no matter how many times you try to change the image extension or try to change the base name or try to resize the file, there's nothing wrong with the size of this file. Pictures do have to have certain size requirements, but that's not a problem in this instance. So you want to make sure you check into that, obviously, but again, that's not the case here. So I could X off, and if you think, well, maybe that was just a one-time thing, well, okay, let's try to upload it again and see what happens. So here we go. We're going to try to upload it, and we've got the same problem. So we could sit here for a half hour, 45 minutes, and keep trying to address this and keep trying to re-upload, and it's going to keep causing the same exact problem. And it could happen on 1 image, it could happen on 2 images, 3 images. You could try to upload another type of image and it doesn't, and it uploads okay. So it could be seemingly kind of random and spotty at points, but the point is you want to make sure obviously you get all your images uploaded. So what I would suggest you do in this situation, leave your browser open if you already wrote some text in it that you want to copy and paste, like your title. Maybe you already wrote your description before you put the pictures up and then you realize this problem was there. So don't X out of it, because then you'll lose some data that you want to copy. And when I say copy, the reason why I'm saying that is because I would advise you to open up another browser. Preferably Chrome, so open up Chrome, so Google Chrome, so just make sure you have that downloaded and installed. And right here you could see I am at the listing. I already have this preset here. So you could see I already copied. I put the title in here, and I'm going to scroll down, and now I'm going to try to upload that same image. So I'm going to scroll down here. I'm going to get to the same exact file right there, X-Men 5. I'm going to hit open, and here we go. It should upload no problem. There we go. So there was nothing wrong with the actual file. This was a problem with the way the browser interacted with the file, really. And so sometimes all you have to do is just go to another browser, open it up, and then post your listing just fine. Don't get wedded into a particular browser. I mean, there might be one that you like and that you prefer and that you want to stick with, which is what I do. But if you're starting to have some little kinks pop up here and there, or a little technical problem, before pulling your hair out, try to just open up another browser and try to interface with eBay that way on it. Some people I know put listings up through their phone. I don't like to do that for my own reasons. That's just not my style, but you know, other people do it that way. So you could try that approach as well, and that might solve the problem. But if you're someone who tends to use desktop, this is the solution that I would suggest trying. So I hope that you found that quick little video tip helpful if you run into this problem at all in the future, or if you've run into it in the past. Now you know just a quick, easy way to solve it. If you like this video, please make sure that you hit the like button. Please make sure you subscribe. We're just about 20 subscribers away from cracking 1,000, so that would be awesome if you helped out during this final stretch here to help get this channel there. That would help increase the credibility of the channel, and that would be nice and important thing to do. So other things would be to make sure that you subscribe to the Primetime Treasure Instagram page, or follow it, I should say. That's at Primetime Treasure. There's no S there. Make sure you come and join the Facebook Reselling Resource Center. We have over 2,600 members there. It's a great group of a tight-knit reselling community, very fun, family-friendly, oriented type of setting. So I hope you come and join us over there, and come back to watch other videos. There will certainly be other ones during the week, so look forward to seeing you at the next one. Take care, everybody.